at JR's house. Take two, really, because I think I walked around for like 5 minutes talking to the camera, and I didn't press record. Oh well, things happen. So anyways, reintroduction, JR, and JR's brother Matt. Busy working on, I see the record light this time, so I know we're good. Working on JR's new body kit. This is the front bumper. He bought it used, so new to him. Anyways, need a lot of patchwork. So Matt's over here teaching JR, and then JR can teach me how to do fiberglass work and body work. We'll walk over here to the rest of the kit. Got the side skirts that need some work. Everything is looking awesome. So this had a huge cutout in the back because the guy had a hitch on his car, which is pretty funny. So the whole thing was pretty much split in half. So they did a patch job on the back side, and then that one, patch side, or front and back.
Yep. Brought it home in 2 pieces. Now it's one.
JR made a joke earlier, saying that I think he said it's gonna get cracked again or something because of me. Oh no, he said it's not worth buying a new body kit because he's driving with me, and I just run into people. So
Figure we better learn how to do this stuff.
Yeah, that's right. So hopefully we better learn how to do body work and fiberglass repair. So yeah, hopefully we get a video soon of this whole kit on JR's car.
Yeah, maybe next weekend.
Yeah.
Hopefully.
All right, let's go back outside again, and I'll show you JR's car.
So when you're looking, notice the nice fire extinguisher.
Oh, yeah, I didn't even look at that.
And the harness pad.
Ooh.
Huge upgrades this week.
JR got some upgrades. JR's balling.
Hey, show them all the tires.
Is it, well, I did earlier, and then I think I'll show him again. Just out there holding the camera. You guys watching? Oh, and it's not recording. Is it unlocked?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Anyways, let's see. Are we in focus? Okay. JR's car. Bam. Why is it outside and not inside? The Del Sol's inside, but this is outside. What's up with that? All right. Oh, and JR got his logo up there. Bitchin'. I think JR's got the highest door bars I've ever seen. I mean, which is good. Protects you, for sure. But definitely makes getting in his car an SOB. Alright, ooh, what do we got up here? JR got a fire extinguisher. Oh, get the camera in here. Got a fire extinguisher mounted, ready for grassroots competition. Oh, and look at those harness pads. Hot damn. And he got some Sparco, what do you call those? Not quite a kidney protector, but I guess. Kind of just making it more comfortable. Kidney pads, sure, we'll call them kidney pads. Very cool. Looking good. JR's ready for some drifting. I mean, we all are, but, oh, let's take the tire tour. Tire tour. It's a tongue twister. So we got a bunch of tires over here. We got like 4 stacks of tires. We got Jake's right there in the front. We got the farm dog over here. There's another farm dog, but it's inside. Can't remember if it's a he or she. Oh, focus, focus. Someday I'll get a camera with a screen that faces me, so I can tell when I'm in focus and when I'm looking at myself and all that fun stuff. So I'm not just talking and looking over here, kind of like that. Anyway, look at these tires. Tires on tires on tires. JR picked those up for a hell of a deal. They're 225s, which he says are skinny for him. He likes to run 245s. But you know what? They're tires and they're cheap. It's kind of the key factor there. So I think I'll spend a little bit more time inside and probably head home, and we'll check back in when when I'm working on my front bash bar, and yeah, check back in there. See ya. The other weekend I was at JR's house. We saw him doing some fiberglass work, him and Matt. Then I came home. I started to record and must have got busy or something because I don't know. I don't have any other footage. Fast forward a couple weeks. We went to Chelsea to know for a drift school over the weekend, working on getting footage all together for that. But in the meantime, I figured I'd finish up the video that I wanted to have done like 2 weeks ago or something. I don't know. Anyways, I need to spend a little more time cranking out some videos. We're trying to do one a week. Well, we talked about it the other week and we want to do one video a week. That's our goal right now. Kind of behind our goal. Let's make up for that. Check in with the car. Survived the drift event, so that's good. But we'll go more into that another time. And the drift school video will be up. Oops, not on that. Will be up. I don't know. The NOFA drift school video will be up hopefully later this week when I get video footage from JR. But I'll show you what I was gonna show a couple weeks ago that I've been working on. I think it's upside down right now. Here we go. This is the bash bar that I'm building. Almost done. It goes around the corners. And around the corners. See if you can get a rough, if I flip it around. Maybe you get a rough idea. Alright, got it temporarily hanging up there. Just kind of give you an overview of what it's looking like. Pulled my car in a little too far. Let me see if I can get a better far away look. This is actually the first time I've seen it on the car with the car on the ground. And you know what, it's not bad. It's actually a lot higher than what I thought it was going to be. I was taking measurements off of my M3 replica bumper over there, and looks like it's a lot lower. Or I mean, I'm sorry, it's not as the bottom bar is not as low as I wanted it to be. But you know what? This is version 1, and that's all right. You gotta start somewhere. I was kind of trying something different. So BMWs, you know, you got the body line coming down the hood, and then it comes down the nose panel, and then I was almost gonna kind of like follow the nose panel down and flare out, but kind of just didn't turn out that way. But that's fine. So yeah, still gonna protect me heck of a lot more than nothing. And then my my mounting bars, I don't know. Here's the first one. So I'm just being nitpicky. It's gonna be fine. I don't like it, give it to Jake, sell it to Jake. Come on now, this took me a lot of time. Gotta get some money back out of it. Yeah, the bash bar, been working on that, almost done. Finished weld that up. I think it was kind of uneventful, but if anybody watched the tire changing video, I also got a manual tire changer. Even better than that, yeah, there's some still good tires that I was practicing changing because I had some new ones. And actually, even better than that, in the back of my truck, compliments of a good friend of mine, I have this tire changer. It's bolted to a giant steel plate. All the attachments and everything that go along with it are in the garage. So this is pretty much something that I can leave in the back of the truck at a drift event and change tires when we need to. So that's pretty cool. He used it for sprint car racing when he did that. And there's the rest of the pieces. And I'm gonna get that powder coated black and gold. So that'll be bitchin'. Other than that, just cranking away on the car. There's always something to do on it, on my parts list. Not parts list, but to-do list. I don't think I ever showed you my door cards. These, I tried making a video a long time ago, but I never ended up finishing them. So here's the finished product. Heck, maybe I did show these in a video, but I don't know. I need to go through, look at my videos, and see what the heck I put in them and what I don't put in them. Got a 5-point harness. Also compliments to the same buddy that gave me the manual tire mounter in the back of the truck. So that's pretty cool. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment. Like us on Facebook and Instagram. Doing a little, trying to get 100 likes on Facebook right now. We're close. I think we're at 85. Coming out with smaller versions of our Drifted Heart logo. I'm getting, we're getting 100 of those printed up, sent our way. And we're doing a giveaway for that once we get to 100 likes. And I know we'll be doing something as well for 100 likes on YouTube. But YouTube, we're kind of lacking right now. We're only like 39. It's alright. Slow going. We need more drift footage and more excitement. Catch you later.
Yeah, they're about 10 grand. Yeah.